Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Emanuela, and on this channel I share legit information on different ways to make money online. Thank you all for tuning in. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make money online by reading emails. This may sound crazy, right? But I'm going to be explaining and demonstrating to you in this video how you can do exactly that to get results. And I'm going to be sharing with you the site in which you are going to make money by clicking and reading these emails. This site is known as ClicksGenie. ClicksGenie is actually a pay-to-click site where you are being paid to read emails, and it is actually very simple to do this. I'm going to be showing you how to sign up for an account with ClicksGenie, and I'm equally going to be sharing with you some of the advantages and disadvantages working with this site. The first advantage is that you can work with ClicksGenie directly from your phone, so you don't need a tablet or a computer in order to work with ClicksGenie. While a disadvantage of working with it is that the amount that they actually pay is actually very low, meaning that you need to put in a lot of work in order to make something tangible, in order to make a reward that is actually tangible. With ClicksGenie, when you sign up for an account and you start reading emails, make sure your account is active, because if you make up to 15 days without reading any email or without logging into your account will be automatically deleted, and all the earnings that you have made on the site will equally be deleted and you lose everything. I'm just going to go ahead and share my screen with you, and before I do so, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please make sure you do so by smashing on the subscribe and the notification bell below, so that anytime a new video comes up on this channel, you will be the first to be notified. As you can see on your screen, this is ClicksGenie. To get to this site, just go over to your browser and type in clicksgenie.com, and it will lead you to their official website. They say get paid to read emails, and they say you can make up to 42 cents for every email that you read. As you can see, this is their official website right here. This is their website right here. I'm just going to read this information. Your payments are instant every time. All payment on ClicksGenie are instant. You request payment and you are paid in minutes. And the minimum payout is 1 cent. And multiple payment options include Bitcoin and perfect money. So this is their official website here. They say they have 4,562 members, in which 162 of them are online members, and they have paid out $7,977 so far. And these are some of the payment proofs that have been made on this site. So as I click on proofs, you can see these are the different amounts that has been cashed out on this platform by different individuals from different countries. As you can see here, these are the different dates in which the payments were initiated. This is actually the date of payment, the respective countries, and the payments were instant, and it was done by using Pay to cash out the money. So I'm just going to go ahead and register for an account. When you click on register to register for an account, it will lead you to a section where you need to fill in all your information, and after doing that, you register and you get logged in to the you get logged into the dashboard section where you see everything. So this is the dashboard section after you have logged in, after you have registered for an account. And these are all the statistics of everything, every activity that you have done on this site. You see your balance here. So I'm just going to go ahead to read one of the emails, and you see how much I make on this site. This is my referral link here, and these are the statistics And when you register for an account, make sure you go ahead and activate your account. So this is the statistics right here. So I'm just going to go over my Gmail. As you can see, I click on this link. So this is a new email that I just received, and when I click on that link, it's going to play this ad for some few seconds. So just wait till it's 100%. After that is done, you just hold on for some time, then you tick on this box, I'm not a robot. After doing that, you click on send. When you click on send, there is an amount that will be credited to your account. This is it right here. So we are going to go back to my account and you see how much I've actually made. I'm just going to go back to my Gmail and I refresh. So you keep on refreshing your Gmail. Each time there is a new message from clicksgenie, you just open it and you click on the link. So this is the balance that we have in our account. This is the money that we have made from clicking just that one ad. And as you keep clicking and clicking, the money keeps accumulating. Although it's not much money, but it adds up. So these are the daily statistics of all the work that you do on the dashboard section right here. Each amount of money that you make will be reflected on this section. To withdraw your money, click on withdraw and it will lead you to this section. Here you see your balance, the minimum withdrawal, and how much you need to withdraw. So as you can see, pay is the means of payment that they will use to pay you. The balance, this is my balance that I have, and the minimum payout balance should be 1 cent something, and the maximum should be $10, and the fee is 0.95% of the amount. So just enter the amount here and you click withdraw. When you click on withdraw, you will be able to withdraw the money you have made. When you click on history right here, you see all your withdrawal transactions right here. So the more the ads you click, the more the ads you click on your Gmail that has been sent to you by clicksgenie, the more money you make. Although it's not much money, but it also has less work to do that. So in conclusion, clicksgenie is actually a legit way of making money online, but it requires a lot of time, a lot of effort, and you may not like this method of making money online. If you don't like this method of making money online, you can check out my other videos on how to make money online and you sign up for an account. But if you actually like this method of making money online, you can go ahead and sign up for an account with clicksgenie by going to your browser and typing in clicksgenie.com, and it will lead you to the official website where you need to fill in all your details and sign in for an account. If you find any value in this video, please make sure you give me a thumbs up. Equally, go ahead and subscribe to this channel by smashing the subscribe and the notification bell so that anytime a new video comes up on this channel, you won't miss it. See you in my next one.